Men have traveled over mountains, valleys, and passes era after era. They traveled for trade, livelihood, or for communication. Today, travel continues for the security of the country or in search of adventurous pleasure. In the 18th century, this pass, which is situated in Kumaon Himalayas in between the ridges of Mount Nandakhat and Mount Changuj, was the trade route for trading with Tibet. Later on, this route was abandoned for its difficulties. The Commissioner of Kumaon, George William Trail, showed interest to reopen this route. Finally, Malak Singh Buddha of Supi village was the first man to cross the pass after 100 years. Later, Mr. Trail also attempted to cross the pass but failed, though the pass was since then named in as Trail's Pass. The chronological chart of success after Malak Singh Buddha on this pass is as under: 1855 Adolf Slagintant, 1861 Captain Ed Smith, 1899 Kurt Butch, 1926 Hugh Rutledge with his wife, 1930 Hugh Stenlodge, 1931 Devan Singh Martolia, 1936 August Gesar, 1941 SS Khera. After 53 years, Nainital Mountaineering Club under the leadership of Mr. Anup Shah. 2009 June, Martin Moran of UK. Then it was Bhadrasar Pathfinder Adventurers, a team from West Bengal, in September 2009. Though Pindari Glacier is visited by many people every year, yet Trails Pass, which is at its top, remains an elusive goal. Thus, the team from Bhadrasar Pathfinder created history on 2nd September 2009 to become the first team in the world to cross the Trails Pass with a member who is 60% physically challenged along with 5 others. The team was headed by Prasanta Datta, the leader, and members being Niraj Chatterjee, Paresh Chandra Nath, Dipankar Das, deputy leader, Rajiv Ghosh, Subhamoy Ghosh, Anirban Das, and Arup Kaur, with the supporting staff Pasang Sherpa and Pemba Sherpa, Dawa Sherpa, Sunil Pawar, they were the haps, Yogesh Rai, Furba, Amit Lepcha, Devender, and Nandan Singh Danu were the porters.
We started our trek from Song, Lower Khet, Dhakuri, Khati, Doeli, Furkia, base camp at Martoli Khadak, Sura Khadak Camp 1, intermediate camp, camp before the rock wall, Ridge camp, and on the top of Trails Pass 5312 meters. Then Loa Glacier Camp, Loa South Camp, Loa Village, Martoli Village, Rilkot, Mapang, Bugdeer, Lilam, and finally Roadhead Munsiari.
Today, 19th August 2009, we the members of Bhadreswar Pathfinder Adventure are at Howrah station ready for our dream expedition. The national flag is being handed over to the leader Prashanta Datta by the chairman of the club Minal Kanti Das. Club flag is being handed over to deputy leader by Suman Midha.
अरे सुनील
21st August 2009, we are at Haldwani station. Here we are boarding our luggages and all the belongings of the expedition in a bus. We are bound to Bageshwar.
একটু একটু করে নিয়ে নাও না, হার্নেস গুলো যে যার নিয়ে নাও।
না না ইকুইপমেন্টস গুলো রং ছড়িয়ে ছিটিয়ে দিলেই দেখো একটা ভাঙবে দেবুদা একটা ভাঙলে কিন্তু খুব মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে। আমি আসার আগে রান্না
22nd morning, 10 o'clock. We are at Song on the way to Loharpet. Afternoon 1 o'clock. We are preparing after lunch and the journey begins. Today's journey is up to Loharkhet, or rather Upper Loharkhet from Song. It's just 5 kilometers from Song. There is the Song village. It is seen down there, and we are going up towards the Loharkhet. That's the jeepable road, and unfortunately right at that time the jeep service was not available. These are all our mules carrying our luggages. Yes, we have reached Loharkhet, Upper Loharkhet. Small bugyal beside the bungalow. This is the bungalow, forest bungalow of Loharkhet. We are at Loharkhet bungalow. 23rd morning. Now we are off to Dhakuri and we are to go to Khati. We have started from Loharkhet. The road on to Dhakuri Pass. Yes, we have reached Dhakuri Bungalow. We have crossed the Dhakuri Pass and now we are on to Dhakuri Bungalow. Here we will have our lunch. There is the bungalow seen. Dhakuri Bungalow is seen. That is Dhakuri Bungalow. After lunch, we are taking a bit rest. We are started to move to Khati. This is the Khati Bungalow, forest bungalow. 24th morning. We are in front of Khati Forest Bungalow with the club banner. From here we'll move to Doeli. Pindari river is flowing beside the route. That's an unnatural bird. The river Pindar is gushing down. We are to cross this bridge. The trail is on the right side of the river on our way to Doeli. This is a falls which we saw at Doeli. The two rivers, Kafni and Pindar, converge here. The bungalows are seen. There is Doeli. "25th morning. The trail starts. We are on to Fulkia. There is Fulkia Bungalow. Last night halt for Pindari trekkers, and Pindari is 0.7 kilometers from here. We are having our lunch here, and now we are on to Martoli Kharab. That is Pindar river. We are to cross the bridge, the stone bridge, and left side is our base camp Martoli Kharab, and the right side of this bridge is the 0 point for Pindari trekkers. This is our base camp at Martoli Kharab. The tents are pitched. Nandakot in the evening. Pindar Valley is seen. Nandakot and Changuj. Here we are sorting our equipments. That's the valley from where we came. 27th morning. After acclimatization for 2 days, here we are moving on to Sura Kharab. There is our camp, base camp. That is being winded up. The trail behind, as well as a good camping ground, is seen behind. This is the 60-degree gradient, a grassland, stone land, which we had to climb onto Sura Kharab. After almost 1.5 hours of trek, we thought of a rest. This is the famous Budiya Nala. Here there are so many branches of Budiya Nala. We had to cross all the branches. The members are being helped by the porters. This is the first branch. And that is the second branch. Heavy rain was going on. 27th morning, we are at Sura Kharab. Pamali Dwar is seen from here. This is the close-up of Pamali Dwar. This is Nanda Khat. And the camp at Sura Kharab. This is our kitchen. The tents are pitched here and there. That is the Pindar ice fall. Behind is Changuj, mushroom. Nilkamal, rare site. This is Rajiv and Dipankar at the kitchen. This is Baljori, Pamali Dwar. Extreme right is Nanda Khat. All these are seen from the Sura Kharab. This is on the left side of our camp, and this is being panned, and that is the Pindar ice fall, which is on the right side of our camp. That is the trails almost. This is the Pindar Ice Fall. This is Pindar Ice Fall and behind is Changuj. Pindar Ice Fall close up. Now we are on to our intermediate camp from camp of Surakhara. We are moving with a tough trail of rocks or boulders, the gradient being somewhere around 60, somewhere around 70 degrees. This was an ice wall. We didn't negotiate it. This was on our left side. This boulder zone was almost nearly 70 degree just before our intermediate camp, and the members are struggling to go up. We have reached our intermediate camp. Ice melted water for drinking and for cooking being collected. Easy process rather than boiling. We had to climb on the next day. That is the rock wall, 850 feet high, now almost 90 degree. It is in front of our intermediate camp, Changuj. Nandakot, the intermediate camp here. The wall is seen there. This is Danadhura Pass, Lapsadhura. That is through the glacier. We are to go to the wall. The members are waiting. We had to cross this glacier almost near about a angle of 45 to 50 degree, and that wall of almost 850 feet which we had to climb. Almost we are near the wall. The rope is fixed. That is the rope which goes straight up to the top of the wall. Members are slowly coming. Pitons are fixed. Carabiners are fixed. Zoomer is there. We had to zoomer up. One by one, all the members are coming. The rope is fixed from a long time. The climb begins. 90 degree angle, rope fixed, and the members are zooming up. This was the toughest part of the trek or expedition. Straightened ropes are fixed and the members had to zoomer up. We have reached the camp 2 of Nandakhat, our ridge camp or our camp 3. The ice is being shoveled for our tents to be pitched here. Sherpas, members, all are helping. It took 1.5 hours to pitch the tent. 30th morning, Pamali Duar is seen, Nandakhat is seen, Baljori is seen, and Nanda Devi East is peeping up. Broad daylight, beautiful weather. Our tents are hanging at camp 3, rather Nandakhat camp 2, just beside the rock wall. This is the tent, hanging tent. The kitchen is seen here. In and around. The behind, this is the Lapsadhura. That is Pamali Duar. The beautiful site of Pamali Duar. Nandakhat. From here it takes only one camp to summit Nanda Khat. That is the ridge of Nanda Khat, which ends at Trails Pass. That is the Pindar ice fall, upper ice fall. Lots of crevasses are seen here. Nanda Devi East is peeping there. We are on the edge of the crevasses. That is the ice field which leads to Trails Pass. The valley and the base camp from where we came up. Nanda Devi East is seen. This is the upper ice fall of Pindari. The trail towards the Trails Pass. That is the Trails Pass from very far away, and Nanda Devi is seen there. This is the icicles. Here we come down from the camp, our camp 3, to the ice field of Pindari, rather Pindar ice fall. The members are slowly coming down. This was a tough climb down because so many crevasses were there in and around. It was very dangerous, so we had to fix our rope here to come down to the ice field. One by one, all the members are slowly coming down. It's a vast ice field. It took our whole day to reach from here to Trails Pass. The left side of this is Nanda Khat, that is Baljori peeping. The members are coming down to the field. It's a vast ice field, Pindar ice field. There are the crevasses opened. This is the upper ice fall of Pindar glacier. Huge glacier is coming down. That is the Pindar ice field. Our trail goes on. We are on to Trails Pass. The members marching, just a pause before the pass. That is the trail. Forest Chandranath. You might be surprised why in this such a snow a man changing its clothes is just in his banyan, because lots of UV rays and heat. Changuch is seen here, and our trail continues, negotiating crevasses after crevasses. Slow trail. There our members are going and negotiating the crevasses. Crevasse, that is the snow bridge, very dangerous, very dangerous. He had to negotiate it. This is the crevasse and the bridge. That is Trails Pass. We have almost reached Trails Pass. Our camp is just below the Trails Pass, and there is the Trails Pass. This was the route from where we came down. The trail, and this trail goes towards the Trails Pass. 2nd September, our most prestigious and glorious day. Early morning, Changuch is seen and Nanda Kot is seen from the camp just below Trails Pass. This is a panoramic view. these peaks were on the left side, that is Danadura Pass, Lapsadura, straight there, the ice field. Right side is peeping is Baljori, and this is Baljori. And this is Nanda Khat on our right side, and extreme right is the Trails Pass. This is Trails Pass, just 30 meters or near about 50 meters from our camp. Today, 2nd September, 8:30 am, we are about to fulfill our dream, which we planned for 2 years. We can't imagine that we are just in front of Trails Pass, and within an hour, we are almost about to create a history. We are almost about to wind up our camp and now proceed towards the pass. That is the climbing to pass, and now we are on top, just on top of Trails Pass. Members slowly coming up. This is Trails Pass. We are on top of Trails Pass. That is the right hump of the Trails Pass. This view is taken from Trails Pass. Members are slowly one by one coming, tired all and excited too. Another member climbing up, slow climb. It is a moraine zone, an angle of near about 50 degrees. Yes, on the Trails Pass. Slow but steady.
ট্রেলস পাস আমরা শেষমেশ ট্রেলস পাসের উপরে দ্বিতীয় ভারতীয় টিম, প্রথম বাঙালি টিম, ফার্স্ট ফ্রম ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল and second from India. We are on the top of Trails Pass, a team from Pathfinder, Bhadrasar, Hooghly, West Bengal.
This is a cairn on Trails Pass, which we made as a puja place. We offered our puja with chocolates. This is the team celebrating, cheering with full joy. The team with the club banner. Here is the team with our Sherpa, with the club banner. This is our deputy leader Dipankar. This is Neeraj Chatterjee. This is Subhamoy Ghosh. This is our leader Prasanta Datta. And the cheer and the hugs. This is the hero, Paresh Chandranath, Rajiv and Subhamoy. The team members with some of our porters. That is the ridge of Nanda Khat, and this is our Sherpa fixing rope to climb down from the pass. That is the way down. Sherpa Pemba is going down with the rope. This is Johar Valley seen from Trails Pass. That is the range of the Johar Valley. So many peaks are hidden. That is the down Loa Glacier, Loa God, the way below, that is the right hump of the trails, this is the way we have to go down. There our Sherpas are going down. This is Johar Valley, that is on the right side of the trails pass, and the left side from where we came, that is Pindar Valley. Trails pass separates these two valleys. This is Nandakot on the Pindar Valley, taken from trails, and this is the way down. A 1700 feet rappelling had to be taken by us, a gradient almost between 80 degree to 50 degree. Our Sherpas going down, fixing the rope. Two Sherpas are there so that we could rappel down. That is the Loa Glacier. The cracks of the crevasses, dangerous crevasses are seen. Ultimately we had to go there. These are the cracks, and that is the Johar Valley seen. See, notice the feature of the Johar Valley. It would help you to get the feature afterward. This is the way down. The ropes are there. We are almost ready on top, ready to get down. The marks of our Sherpas. Here is a flat place. This is the gradient, almost 80 degree gradient here. Yes, this is the hero. See, notice it, Paresh Chandra Nath, single-handedly going down, rappelling, slow but steady, gutsy man, one hand rappelling. He climbed with one hand and slowly rappelling with one hand. There lies the Loa Glacier. Rather far away down there is Loa God, the snout point of Loa River. That is the far away. Notice the feature of the place. This is brown, green, and here is the boulder zone, rather snow zone. We with the camouflage crampons on, we are rappelling down. Very difficult here. The helmets are on because so many times the rocks are falling from here and there. This is a very dangerous zone with the knocks of the crampons. Always there was a chance of rock fall. With all our gears, we had to come down. This is our Loa Glacier camp. See the difference. That was, I told you to notice the feature. That was a brownish feature. We are on the cracks of the crevasses of Loa Glacier, and within one day, that is the way from where we came down. Within one day, the snow deposition was heavy. Heavy means really heavy. We could not see anything. We had to camp here. It was 3rd September 2009. This is another special feature. We are in the tent. Had to boil snow. Scarcity of fuel and scarcity of butane tank made us to ration water. After capsize of 3 days due to heavy snowfall, we came down to Loa River Snout Point on 5th September. We were taking photographs of the peaks and the beauty of the places at night almost 10:30 to 11:30. This was moonlight photography. Just see the beauty of the place and the peaks. 6th September 2009. Early sun rays are kissing Nanda Devi East. The golden yellow color changing, gradually coming down. That is Nanda Khat, the range, Nanda Devi East, Nanda Khat, and the Longstaff Call. All are seen. It was 5:30 am. Nanda Devi East, Nanda Khat, the whole range, and we are at the bottom. This is the close-up of Nanda Devi East, Nanda Khat. And now the bright sun rays. The whole place is covered with snow, which earlier we saw was a brownish and greenish toned place of the Jowar Valley. This is the place where we had to camp. This is Nanda Devi East Camp 1. That is Nanda Khat. The way left side from where we came down. The pan is, this is Nanda Devi East. It was almost 8:30 when we were taking these photographs. That is the camp at Camp 1, Nanda Devi East. The ridge below is the seen there from Nanda Devi East. Notice the right side of the peak below. This is the close-up of Nanda Devi East. This was 8:30 in the morning. We were busy drying our clothes because we are all wet all together, and in the scorching sun we were drying all our belongings, every belongings. Nanda Khat, that is the back portion of Nanda Khat, rather the right side, which is seen from Pindari. Loa River Snout and the Loa River is seen from our camp. Extreme left is the place, that is the trails pass, extreme left from where we got down, the carvings. From left we came down. Upper is the Loa Glacier and below is the Loa River Snout. This is Loa River flowing. The snout is seen behind and our camp is there. This is the left ridge of Changuch. There is the Changuch on the opposite side from where we were seeing till left. That is the Loa river flowing down, and we had to go to Martoli via this route. "9:30 in the morning, we were preparing to move down to Martoli. Some of our porters were down with snow blindness. Suddenly we heard a blasting sound. Somebody shouted, 'Avalanche, avalanche!' The avalanche was from Nanda Devi East. Within a span of 20 seconds, we took 4 photographs of the avalanche, and we found that avalanche was on our camp. The tsunami of snow was rolling down to our camp. We were running for life. The terrible sound was coming closer. Just looking behind, we could see the death coming closer. We were swept away by the avalanche. Almost 30 to 50 feet after some time, we found ourselves under the snow, but miraculously alive." The Loa river is covered with the snow of the avalanche. That is the way to Martoli. We had to return back, leaving the Camp 1 of Nanda Devi East almost with nothing. Benighted by the side of Loa river near Loa village. We are back to Kolkata. Front page coverage of Hindustan Times of our expedition. Our team members are Prashanta Datta, the leader, Arup Kaur and Anil Bandar, Neeraj Chattopadhyay, Rajiv Ghosh, Shubhamoy Ghosh, Paresh Chandra Nath, Dipankar Das, Deputy Leader.